Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on back in now because I'm just doing a bit more on this. My thoughts were to make something else with the ring, but I think I might just do a little bit of putting these in first. Now I've got this suffle here that I like the colour of, and I like the colour of this. So I've decided to put that on there and put this suffle here with these other two baby ones, okay? Okay, so I want to put that up there so it's not covering over that one too much. There. It was just the idea of this way to do this, okay? Actually, what about a flowery one? This seems to be a bit big, doesn't it? Just seems to be a tiny bit too big. Spotty, no. Oh dear. I'm going to go and change my mind. I want this colour here. I do have some sitting here on the table. I seen it earlier this morning because I thought, oh dear, look at that, I won't cut that. That's a piece I will need. It is fastened to another square somewhere in here. Oh dear, here we go, look at this. I'm going to make one with this one. So these two together will undo these. Righto. Come on. They look good together though, don't they? So I'm going to make another little suffle out of this. That's probably a good size. I'll cut it, actually I'm going to draw around it, then it makes it easier to cut than sticking it on there. Did I make a suffle last video? I hope not. I can't be doing this. Is off the Driston plate one, which I started working on once. Why do I think that that's what the buttons were called then? I don't know what I'm talking about, do I? I called them that yesterday. But I will do a little bit of this. I wanted to talk to my daughter for a minute when she comes back. Ah dear, I might just cut this out in the round so I can keep the outside for something else, eh? So I won't lose it, keep it as well. Make a little suffle out of this. It's got nice little green bits on it too, hasn't it? It's quite easy to do that. There you go, look. Isn't that pretty? I might use that down the other end of the thing a bit when I get about down the other end of the thing a bit. We've got to get a bit more along there before we do that. Okay, so this is only going to be a tiny one, but that's okay. That's all right. We just turn it over and stitch it down. We just want to, you know, a little bit of colour in amongst the others instead of having them all the same colour. I'm going to be stitching over them and on them and things, but I like the background to be, I don't know how I want it to be, I suppose you might say. We all like different things, and that's a good thing. I mean, we don't all be after the same thing. We all like different things, and we all got different ways of doing stuff. Turn that round in the right way, pull that up. Evenly. Oh, look at that, I could even put a little piece of something in the inside of that because there's enough room, isn't there? And that'll go on here with that one, and this one. What do you think, eh? That looks neat. Do you like that? Maybe not fair on that patch. We'll just see what we can do with it after a minute or two. We'll see what happens. Right, I'll just fix this, end it off. And then I'm going to actually sew it on somewhere, I hope. Where am I going to put it? There. I'm liking putting it on that bit and on that bit. I'm liking this part. How about that? How about that? There we go. That looks good. There Yep, it does. Now, well, I'll put this one on here first. I'll just take that, I won't even have to undo the thread. I'm just going to take it through to the back here. And then I'm going to just do tiny stitches around the edge of it and fasten on like I did with this piece here, because I just want it to sit there to start with and see what we're going to do, eh? Just to see what to put on it. Get close to the edge and stitch it down. You can go down into the fabric. Make sure you go right to the through all the pieces. You don't want it waving around in the brush. Whoops, I've nearly unthreaded me. Got it. My needle. How far? How far we go? A bit further. I'm not going to actually see me do it. I'm going to wave to off the veranda. There you go. I'm just going to have to go and get a few things, so that's alright. You're allowed to, if you've got to go and get a few things. You know, and you'll be surprised. I did order my shopping, but I forgot stuff, and that really bugs me when I do that. I'm going to put this so it doesn't look like two eyes. Nobody judge me. I'm going to put them so they're in the right place here, I hope. Now I'm just going to tack this one down. It doesn't matter if it goes up over the top of the other one a bit. It doesn't matter, because what the other ladies are doing too is, that bit's still connected to that one. We're putting them over top of one another, some of the other girls that are doing it, because we, you know, it's just how it works. And then they're stitched down pretty flat onto the piece too afterwards. I think we're just doing this for the idea of the texture and that. If you want it to sit up a bit, I suppose that's okay. That's everybody's choice, whatever they want to do with it. With their little circles. Got a fair bit of stitching to go on this. Want to make some other videos. We'll get to it. I will get to it. I promise you I will. If I can just get this, if I take this out to the lounge room when I'm watching TV, I might do a bit. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It'll probably be a day when I have to have a sleep today, I suppose. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends how I feel. Yesterday I was right. I didn't have to. Had a good night's sleep last night then, so that was good too. So that was a bit of a bonus. Now, I want that to come there or over here. I might take it over there. I don't want it to look like a face or something, you know, eyes and something. I want it together, but not necessarily right together, okay? So we can put it over this way a bit. I don't know how I get my train of thought, where it comes from, but it just does. We all have that, you know, and our brains are trying to work there, just what we want to do. I told you I was Sonya and I'm in Australia, because I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting whether I said it or not. You know, so many things on my mind. And trying to think. I wasn't going to do another video today, actually. After I did the first one, I thought, oh no, wait, because Peg will be back in a minute or two with my things from the shop, and I just wanted to wave to her because, you know, she's worried about when this is going to be over so she can come see me. It's really weird, you know, because before I probably couldn't get her to come here no matter what, you know, sometimes. Kids are funny. Yeah, they are. I suppose they're like us too. So I can't go and visit her. She lives up on a hill. And my gopher can't get up there. Her name's Gertie, my gopher. Well, I can get up there, but I don't want to. It's too steep. It's too steep for me to go up there on that. I don't do well in cars. I don't like going in cars. Not at all anymore, I'm afraid. Okay, so I got that there, like that. Isn't that cool? My goodness me, I am liking this a bit more and more each time. Now buttons, we might put them on a little bit later. I don't know yet. What else did I make yesterday? Oh, these little shape things here. I need to put more stitching on. I'm not going to put any of those things on until I put more stitching on. I was going to show you how to make one of those, but this is very thick, this thing, so I don't know whether it'd be a good idea to try and put that on there, because you have to have a lot of material to stretch over this to make it, and it might be just too heavy. Might be just a little bit too heavy. See, I made these, but whether I'll use them or not's another thing, you see. You just don't know, do you? So let's see, what else have I got to put on here? I might have a bit of lace, do you reckon? Well, I like this piece. This is probably old as me, this bit. I do think the colours in that are going to look really awesome. Or not. What do you think? I'll just cut out a strip and see what it looks like. Eh? I'll cut it up here. All these little, looks like little tiny crosses, doesn't it? Well, it is little tiny crosses, but that'll look nice. It really will. Somewhere on something. Might add that on later on somewhere. Okay, so that didn't work for me how I was looking for it. Yeah, this is what I need, something white, I think. Don't you reckon? This is a bit of old stuff, isn't it? I can see that. A bit old stuff. Probably needs ironing. But I can stitch it down anyway. What have we got here? Look, we go up here, cut this bit. It's a good thing about this stuff, you can just cut it any way you want to. It doesn't come unravelled. It doesn't come unravelled. I wonder if that's my daughter. Sounded like it could have been her car. She was supposed to be going to ring her father. I didn't even know she was out there. I haven't heard the phone. Might have been the neighbours. They were very busy, they was going roundabouts. Oh look, there you go. That'll look nice, won't it? Yes, definitely will. Across here. Up there. Anywhere, I'll put that. I think it's going to look good. I think I'll put it there. It lifts that along a little tiny bit, doesn't it? And then sounds like there's somebody at the front. Anyway, I'll have to go, okay? I'll talk to you later, bye-bye.